Hey everybody, we are at the Borgata here in Atlantic City. We are on floor 16, room 1638. This is the king room, non-smoking. Alright, so when you first walk in, here's a really large bathroom. Hair dryer. Here's like little amenities. It's a shower cap, nail file, cotton swabs, cotton rounds. That's nice. Body lotion and hand wash. Nice big vanity so you can spread out. Here's a really large walk-in shower with a seat. It's also shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And here is a separate door into the restroom with a speakerphone. So when you come out here, here's a full-length mirror in the closet with a safe, ironing board, laundry bag, luggage rack, the typical stuff. So here it is, and this is the city view. So here's a king bed. And let's see, is there anything on? I don't see any ports or anything on the lights. Large TV, coffee maker, mini fridge, and other drawers. This is stuff they're giving you. And here's a desk, you know, in case you need to work. Little seating area. Another one. It's a shame there isn't ports on the lights like a lot of hotels have, but there is plugs over here and there's some by the desk. So, you know, plug in your phone and stuff. And then here, the sun's kind of glaring in here, but here's the view. So you can see all of Atlantic City from here. You can see the Atlantic Ocean, all the hotels, all the way over here, there's ocean. So you go from ocean to Tropicana. You can see it all, plus a little bit of the bay as well. Check-in was a breeze, staff was super nice. We love it. This is our first time here, and as of right now, we'll definitely be back, so we'll see how we do in the casino. All right, see y'all later. I was wrong. There is a plug behind each lamp.
Liar.
So there it is.